Can you please hear me, please? Is anyone here? Can you hear? Okay, and you can see the screen clearly. All right. All right. For the first question, when you're analyzing the market with TMR, you have to ask which direction are we heading today or what is our daily storyline. Like today, what I see here is showing me at the daily time frame that we are processing a bullish storyline. Because if I switch to line here, I can see closing price which forms resistance classical A. Price is breaking and processing to close bullish for today's candle, and this indicates that we will have a bullish storyline which will be good for tomorrow. But today we have to go one time frame lower the daily time frame, which will be a 4 hour, and look for a breakout. So this line is showing me the daily resistance, but if I go to line charities at 4 hour, here is the main breakout of 4 hour, because we can see there is a drop base drop, and this is the main breakout of today. So the line that is at the daily resistance and breakout of 1 hour, they are close. So the refinement key level of today is this area. So we have today a bullish breakout or bullish BO or BO buy at 4 hour for today's setup. So we are expecting 4 hour to buy today, which can give us up to 200 bips. Yesterday we had 500 bips plus. If price moves today 200 or 300 bips, so we are already close to 800 bips for the daily storyline that started yesterday. And for sure tomorrow, if it pushes up, then we will have 1000 pips as TMR promised. 1000 pips in 3 days, or sometimes we can get it even today, the other 500 pips. But right now, I hope you guys can see that our storyline today starts from the 4 hour, and we will make sure how daily will close. Since this is the 4 hour key level, the breakout level of 4 hour, we have to know the road blocking. Since we have a bullish breakout at the 4 hour time frame, we have to go one time frame lower of a 4 hour, which is 1 hour. So 1 hour will give us breakout sell or opposite breakout, that is for a pullback or correction of the 4 hour storyline, which is the bullish. So we have to go 1 hour. After we switch to 1 hour, okay, we will ask ourselves two things. One is correction of the 4 hour breakout, and the second is storyline of a 1 hour, so that we will not miss the right time to enter. So the correction of the 4 hour breakout is to get an opposite breakout, which is breakout sell at 1 hour. The second is storyline of 1 hour. We have to get breakout inside the 1 hour, and then look for refined breakout after price comes in the right area, or like forms the last breakout buy, which will be at 30 minutes. And then you have to understand there is your setup. Everywhere where price reacts, there must be what's called a strong support or resistance zone. So when it comes a zone, price must rally and then create base and then must rally, or price must drop then create base then drops. All those stuffs are price must do something like this. It must really means we go up then little bit push down and then rally. That's really base really, and this is the base. So the base is the strong zone which can be support when it's a rally base rally, but when price drops down and then creates base and then drops, this becomes a resistance, and then price will comes back here and then sells off, and here it buys off. You have to understand that. I can show you automatically on the charities that thing everywhere. Don't worry, I can show you. For example, right here, price drop it, right, drop and then base and then drop. So if I drag here, you see that price is reacting right now, right? It's reacting, so it wants price to go down. All right, I can show you another example right here, or what's called the ready drop base drop. So price drop it, creates base, then creates drop. So if I switch to price may have wicks or maybe something like this, but here you guys can see that here price reacted, right? It reacted again. It reacted. I can show you again in this rally here. This price move it up, rally, base rally. It must react here, so price comes back here and then pushes up. Don't worry, every time price does this, you have to understand. For example, here 1 hour rally, then base rally. If price comes, it will come here, which is 1 hour zone plus 4 hour breakout. If it comes, then it will be strong buy. Yeah, it will be strong buy. I hope that you get it now. So now look for 30-minute breakout or 15-minute breakout, but I'm sure 30-minute is the best, guys. 30-minute. If 30-minute breaks sell, let it go up and then break sell, let it come over here, and then we will look for a nice buy. Hope it makes sense, but I'm still holding my setup for yesterday. Yeah, Henry, you still remember our setup yesterday? Did you enter it, or you've been waiting? You've been waiting for the pullback. I don't know even if you entered or not. Okay. Yeah. Even why you worry and price cannot go into your stop loss when your SOP is correct? That was way enough. Maybe. Yeah, that's. Yeah. No more stress, brother. No more stress, bro. If you can wait, you can kill. You. Yeah. Yeah, it's good, brother. That's true. Yeah, it never lies. It can look yesterday, yeah, yesterday till now. Did even price touch it or entry back? No, it did not touch or entry back even. You can see that there's no way I can scare of stop loss when I know my SOBs, and Bryce always shows me what I know. It will never come back most of the time above 90 percentage. The win rate is so high if you understand it. If not, then you will encounter some losses. The biggest problem is like when you hurry in bullback breakouts and then think price will give you an entry. I can show you what a bullback breakout is. For example, the worst thing some new traders have when they try to make money from. I will start from the daily, guys. Can you see the screen? Yeah. For here, yesterday's breakout was here. It was here. Daily breakout, right? So after that, I switch it to 4 hour, if you remember. All right. So what is the next step? We have to get BO buy, right? H1. If it's not clear, we can still refine it into the next time frame. We can use at least 2 time frames to get the BO buy, the last breakout. Here, the 2 time frames, the main time frame and the next time frame must be consecutive. Daily to H4, no other time frames may be inside them. It must always be consecutive. The first time frame must have the next time frame. So you see in here, when price breaks here 4 hour, there is bullish breakout, right? There is bullish retest. And next candle that retest is where 4 hour candle breakout. In here, there is a lower time frame breakout. That is where most new traders think we have BO buy, and then they enter and then price comes back and then hit their stop loss. And that's why I said every breakout must have retest. So wait the retest, do not enter it. So if I go to look here. In here you see there is resistance. So this resistance is the one that broke out 4 hour level. It broke it, right? So after that it must retest where it has broken. You see, it must retest it where it has broken, and then it started a move. So this move is where you will expect it if there is bullish breakout, not this move. I hope you're getting it now. So that's one thing I have realized it. So this breakout should always have a retest. Yeah, most of them. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, and then yeah, that's true. You're welcome, brother. So what are we waiting for right now? Yeah, what are we waiting for right now? Is anyone ready to share his screen? Maybe. Yeah. So now what are we waiting for, guys? What are we expecting Goldie today? Did you understand what I said about the 4 hour time frame? 4 hour time frame. You should check and hold and wait a 4 hour time frame, guys. So for with a 4 hour time frame, there is our breakout. I hope you get it. And then wait 1 hour. Even 1 hour BO buy, 1 hour BO buy. So BO sell. Nobody can tell, brother. Yes, Henry. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one. Yes, this one. Yeah, you have to wait. Any BO buy must have BO sell. Yeah. No, right now we are in a bullback. Let the bullback finish first, then we gonna have BO buy at lower time frame. So let us say we have right now a 1 hour bullish breakout. Uh, then 30 minutes must give us BO sell, and then 15 minute or 5 minute BO buy. You're welcome. Yeah, with TMR, guys, there are many issues in the other concepts that we had seen, like seasonal trading, when it comes price and time, or time and price. Uh, so there is no specific hours or like specific time we can say breakout can form or can be ready. So all you need to do is wait the right time, uh, and right zone. Nobody knows where price can reverse from, or where storyline can end. There's no one knows. Even the time, nobody knows. Uh, we don't know even the right time breakout can come out or can be ready. So all we need to have is patience, and remove from your mind the questions or ideas that is telling you most of the time, if you see this, or if this, or if that, i think I think so. All those stuffs are not working, because we have seen them all. I mean, your idea have your mind have, let me say, different ideas, that are based on the different knowledge and also the systems you have learned. You made research about ICT, SMC, or maybe price action, Elite waves, support and resistances. Many concepts, you have learned a lot of systems, and your mind has many decisions. And you know, when you have lot of educations or lot of systems in your mind, the harder you make decisions, because it will be hard for you to make decisions. But with TMR, for me, I have lot of strategies kept in my mind. But when I created this concept, most of those ideas are out of my mind, because TMR, it's really showing me the right way to weigh the right setup, number one. And I'm not making decisions all the time. SOB is making for my decisions. I'm not the one who's making the decisions to enter. SOB is always telling me the right time to enter. It's telling me not to enter. It's telling me to wait for the right time. It's telling me, for example, if the setup is coming from one of the time frames, it's telling me how much I can target, how much I can risk. It's always forming and telling me. So it indicates like the discipline is coming from your system. That's what I see really. You know, some guys, they told you, oh man, I am emotional. I cannot wait the setup. I always enter earlier when my setup is correct. I enter and close earlier. I cannot wait the price to hit my TB. I run off with the small profits. I sometimes see price is hitting or triggered into my stop loss, then go into my way. I really don't know what's wrong with me, many issues. But I realize that if you have the right system and you have the right guideline, or someone who guides you even in the right way of that system, I am sure all those problems will be out of yourself, because the system is what makes the good discipline of you. Yeah, when you need a good discipline, you must have a good system. Yeah, when you have that good system, the good system must have also rules to follow. Follow that rules and you will be disciplined. Even emotional actions will be out. You will not have emotions, I'm sure. So with TMR, I even don't use the limit orders, blah blah. Okay, I always wait the right time and execute trades. When I see the right time to enter, I execute trades. So this shows you there's no way you can jump in the market without knowing. You must know what you're doing. Your SOB must tell you, hey, we are ready, get in. Okay, I hope you get in my main point right now. And yeah, TMR guys, TMR. And never change your idea and your system, okay? Never change it. If you really learn TST, it's okay. Something harder than TMR, but TMR is easy. If you learn TMR, please even do not combine other concepts. Do not add trend lines, engulfing, fair value gaps, blah blah. Do not use it. Just use these simple steps with no stress. Do not combine it other concepts. Otherwise, you will be confused. I hope this makes sense.